Acid and base.
Acid base.
Vinegar is an acid base we use in daily life.
And
They are used.
can you show it to us? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, it is a vinegar. Yeah, I got it. And then there is a base called baking soda as well. Can you show it to us?
Yes.
It's right here.
Okay, nice dhokla.
Dhokla?
Yeah, it is used for making dhokla.
We're not making dhokla science.
Dhokla science. Yeah, we are going to do dhokla science
No,
today.
we're not.
No, we are not.
Now I'm gonna tell you the ingredients. So, haldi, funnel, vinegar, a jar of water, and an empty
Plastic bottle.
plastic
And
baking soda. Scientist, now what do I add in?
First, you put in the soap.
How many times do I press it?
2 spoons.
Yeah.
That's it. Now we put in 2 spoons of turmeric.
It's hot.
That's it.
Yeah. Now add the vinegar.
Mike, you guide her. Let her.
Add till this mark.
Where? Which mark?
This mark.
Hold it. And now she told me that we need to add a little bit of water.
That's it.
And now I'm gonna add baking soda into this small glass. That's enough.
You add a little more.
That's enough.
Now add some more.
And now I added some baking soda into this pot.
Now you add some water.
Yeah, and now we add some water. Tell me stop, okay?
Okay, that's it.
Hey, what do we do now?
Now we add this mixture into the bottle. You have to be very careful because it might erupt.
3, 2, 1, knock it. Look at the volcano coming out.
Whoa!
My God.
Look.
When acids and base react with each other, they create a process called neutralization. In this process, carbon dioxide is released, which causes the particles inside to erupt.